Hi everyone, welcome back to One Step Adventure. I'm Steve.
And I'm Uncle Don.
So we're at Disneyland. Today is October 31st and we're going to check out what happened here at Disneyland. I know Oogie Boogie's happened the other side, but we're going to try to have some magical night here, yeah? Yes?
And we have, where's our best friend?
Our best friend's here. Loki! Let me see your shirt, turn around. Wow, look at him. Awesome. Okay, let's go have a magical night. Even though there's nothing happening here, there's so many people here. Look at the line to get the corn dog. It's crazy. All the way to the end of the Plaza Inn entrance. Oh my gosh. Hey, the Plaza Inn, the line's all the way out here. That's a pretty long line.
Wow.
So maybe we should just stick to our plan.
What was our plan?
Docking 7. We mobile order food at 7:30. Oh, take a look. The sign of the Frontierland, they have a Christmas wreath on top. Yes. I'm so excited that I got a reservation for October 10, the first day of the Christmas at Disney. So I will be here. If you see me, come to say hi. Let me just try real fast. You can use a little salt this time, I think. Let me try the shrimp.
These were pasta.
I know, and rice. The shrimp is very salty, so actually pretty good now. I definitely recommend this.
I'm going to try the chicken salad. The first time I've had this.
It's gluten-free.
It's actually pretty good.
So far, the gluten-free meal at Disney is not too bad. Hungry Bay will order the gluten-free cheeseburger. The bun is so chewy, so good. So definitely come here to eat. You'll love this place. It's so yummy. Only thing, I feel like I need to bring a little rice on my own and sandwich bag and put it in here. So Asian, so Chinese, I swear. Okay, let's eat. You know it's good when it's empty. And look at Uncle Don's. You must not like this. So we're going to Oga Cantina. My friend's first time here. Whoa. Never gets old in here. It smells like alcohol. It smells like a club here. Wow, it's the first time we actually walk all the way to the end. Normally we just by the door.
We're gonna fit 11 people from around the street.
And the purple Gladys juice is good. I mean the rest of them I haven't tried, but
With milk.
there's only one of the bourbon drinks that I like, and I always forget which one. So I have to ask the guy. One's called Jet Juice or something. I don't like that one.
How come they don't sell this outside? Did you get something?
And I've only been here once.
Okay, let's go see Firework now. It's a really cool place. 0. Hey, got 0 here too.
Happy Halloween, everyone! Welcome! It's time to celebrate the season of tricks and treats. The sights, the sounds. Ooh, and what's this, you ask? Well, let me show you. We'll call out the spirits to socialize. After all, my friends, this is Halloween.
When you hear the knell of a requiem bell, here goes where the spirits dwell. Restless bones, ethereal lies. Eyes as books of every size. Grinning ghosts come out to socialize. When the cryptos creak and the tombstones quake, spooks come out for a swing and wink. Happy haunts materialize and begin to vocalize. Grinning ghosts come out to socialize. As the moon climbs high with a dead oak tree, spooks arrive for the midnight spree. Creepy creeps with eerie eyes start to shriek and harmonize. Grinning ghosts come out and socialize. This is Halloween, this is Halloween, 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 Halloween. Boys and girls of every age, wouldn't you like to see something strange? Come with us and you will see. It's our world of Halloween. Oh, this is Halloween, this is Halloween. Pumpkins scream in the dead of night. This is Halloween. Everybody make us in trick or treat till the neighbors come and tell us right. This is Halloween, this is Halloween, 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 Halloween. In this world we call home, everyone hail to the pumpkin song.
Happy Halloween, darlings! This is what I live for. It's such a wicked time of year, isn't it? And I have just the spell to put us all in the mood. Lucas of Rugacum, winds of the Caspian Sea. The Princess Lycidas, Max Laryngitis, the Voce to me. Now sing. Sing! Sing!
Unfortunate souls in pain, in need.
Yes.
Poor unfortunate souls, so sad, so true. Poor unfortunate souls. Cruella de Vil, Cruella de Vil. She doesn't scare you, no evil thing will. To see her is to take a sudden trial. Cruella, Cruella de Vil. She'd like a spot. proposals very sly. They come in ones and twos, bad day, so choose us. Before your eyes you'll see them multiply.
Yeah, you're right. I just realized that.
The elephants on parade, here they come, hippity hoppity. They're here and there, big elephants everywhere. Look out, big elephants on parade.
So we're here at Gibson Girls, right?
Yes.
And Uncle Don's favorite mint chocolate ice cream. Zero loved this too. Yay! Our favorite ice cream place at all time.
Well, our favorite ice cream place, but this is the Firehouse Dalmatian Mint and Fudge Sundae. Yeah, it's like a Disney crack.
Remember, you have a fan is 4 years old.
I know. Especially when you get that perfect bite of whipped cream and hot fudge and
What do you think?
Really good.
Better than the Clear Bell?
Well, I've only gotten cones at Clarabelle. I didn't get a sundae.
Ah.
So it's added extra.
Johnson may like this. So it's about 10 o'clock. We just finished our snacky. And we are going to Pirates Caribbean because it's only 10 minutes away.
and I'm actually hanging in there.
I know it's past our bedtime.
It's past our bedtime.
And I have a bad allergy. You can hear my voice. Oh my gosh.
But we're hanging in there because it's Halloween. It's Halloween tonight.
Tonight.
And we just watched the
Trick or
fireworks
treat.
show. It's
Trick or treat.
Do you want a trick or a treat?
I want cash.
Hey, when I was a young kid, we used to go trick-or-treating, and there was one man who had a bucket of pennies, and he would give the kids each like 2 or 3 pennies.
Oh, that's kind of cool.
Yeah, it was cool. Did you just
Definitely
feel it? It's like
thinking it
empty.
out right now. Oh, look at the moon. It's so beautiful tonight. All right, this is the last night for the Halloween tree. Well, technically, we're going to be back tomorrow, November the 1st. I wonder if it's still going to be here. Oh, I love Halloween. It's almost over. I cannot believe this. Okay, we hope you liked this video. Spending Halloween night at Disney with our friend Vince and Uncle Don's. And make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel over here. Turn on the notification bell so you know time and day we release a video. And follow Uncle Don at
Epicurious Uncle Don. Pardon me, Epicurious _ Uncle Don.
and follow Vince at
DCENZO 910.
There you go.
Okay. All right, see you guys later. We'll be back tomorrow again. Bye.
Mooncast Multitasking Tinted Moisturizer by Yibu Beauty contains over 90% skin-loving ingredients, more skincare than makeup. Our hero ingredients are hyaluronic acid and aloe vera. Hyaluronic acid for hydration and brightening, aloe vera to calm and soothe the skin. Carefully designed it for anyone with concerns of uneven complexions and or dehydrated skin. Suitable for all ages, lifestyles, and skin types. For dry skin, use over a moisturizer. Give a bottle a shake before use. Dispense 2 to 3 pumps onto the palm. Massage hands together and apply to the face. Start from the center outward, covering the face, forehead, and neck.